How many of you know this chart pattern right here? Now, this is called the cup and handle chart pattern, right? You see, chart pattern in general is one of the simplest and basic way to trade the forex market, and they work. But firstly, you have to know how to be able to identify these chart patterns, right? You need to develop the eye to identify them. Now, for someone who is learning how to trade forex, or you've been in the forex space for a while, you've probably heard about the basic and common chart patterns in the market, like the double top, the double bottom, the ascending triangle, descending triangle, and all the other ones. But you see, the cup and handle pattern is one of those rare cases and chart patterns that is barely always talked about because they are very rare, but they are a very strong candles chart pattern formation that occurs in the market, right? So in this video, I'm going to show you how to identify this chart pattern and how to trade it. So without wasting much time, let's jump right straight into the chart and let's do this. Okay guys, so in trading the cup and handle pattern, there are three things that you have to look out for. And these are the cup itself, the handle, and the resistance level, also known as your neckline. You see, so when trading the cup and handle, you want to join 2 points, resistance points in the market, and then the body of the cup should be a U shape. You see, you don't want to have something like this. You see, what you have here is a V shape. This is not what a cup looks like. You want to have something like this, which clearly gives you the body of a cup. Now, secondly, what you also want to look out for is your neckline or your resistance level. Now, your neckline connects 2 points of the cup and the handle together. So you connect your cup and your handle together. You see, so notice how we have a nice downtrend over here. We have a nice downtrend over here before we got that nice U shape, spotted our resistance level. Now, lastly, what you want to look out for is your handle. Now, your handle is also a partial pullback, but not a full pullback from your neckline and the 1 second point of your handle. You see, so we have a partial pullback. You see, so by just simply looking at this, you can see that this looks like a cap and a handle. You see, so when trading this pattern, you want to be able to develop the eye to identify this pattern so you can easily trade it. Right now, how you trade this pattern is that you simply wait for price to break and close above your neckline or your resistance level. Once price does that, then you enter the trade and then you target the next resistance level as your take profit level. And just like that, you have identified and traded the cup and handle pattern. Very easy, very straightforward, but all you have to do is develop the eye to identify this pattern, and the only way you can do it is by following me on this channel and learning from what I teach you on this channel. So if you are serious about learning how to trade the forex market, make sure you are following me on this channel, and I'll see you in the next video.